Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka B.Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend, and welcome back to the channel. What are we doing today? Well, we're playing in color, specifically some non-traditional color, and we're gonna create mask-worthy eye looks today as well. So, you know what to do. Grab your beverage, let go. Weekend. It's a long weekend, MLK weekend. I hope you have your beverage in hand. What y'all doing for this long weekend? Y'all barbecuing? Y'all cocktailing? Y'all doing things all socially responsible and it-ish? Well, whatever you do, I hope this eye look today inspires you to do something or go somewhere or do a statement eye as you tip out the house for this long weekend. So, y'all know I'm obsessed with powder kissed eyeshadows, lips, all that great jazz by MAC. And so, you know, last week's video, I introduced some new colors. I want to continue to introduce more colors. So we're utilizing Powder Kiss eyeshadow, Good Jeans, which is this Powder Kiss eyeshadow here. This is like a cool, like blue gray. And there's a matching liquid lip color. Have you ever seen me play with anything like this? I don't think so. I'm obsessed. These are non-traditional colors, especially when it comes down to lips. So we're gonna play around with this and I'm gonna show you how to have fun with colors that you typically wouldn't gravitate towards because I'm your beauty best friend. That's what we do around these parts. Okay, let's get started. First up, I'm gonna show you guys what the Good Jeans lip color looks like. Look at that, super pretty. Obviously, you know, it's powder kiss, so it's nice and matte, moisturizing and velvety. So this color is gonna go on our eyelids. I know, eyelids, what? I know, I typically don't put lips on my eyes, but for this look today, we're gonna do so. You know I need a trusty 224 fluffy brush. Grabbing just a little, boom. And we're gonna go right in the center of the eyelid, side to side sweeping motions. And we're gonna pull this up over the lid. Look how nice and sheer this goes on. Voila. Notice I pulled this up just a little bit higher through here, just because we're playing with the eye shape, but essentially this is all over the lid. So because I'm doing this first, and it's long wearing, this is gonna act as our eyeshadow base. So I'm not gonna put down my normal regular 24-hour eye base. This is the eye base today. Sip of a moment, because the fibers of this brush is longer, this applies it very lightly for me and gives a little bit more of a sheer wash. If I was using a shorter here, fluffy brush, then this will apply a lot more product, just so you know. I'm gonna take this as well and sweep this underneath. I'm gonna wrap the eye in this. Now I will give a disclaimer. Oftentimes, you gotta be careful what color you use on your eye if it's meant for lips, because sometimes you can have an allergic reaction. So I'm also just winging it, that's my disclaimer. Try at your own risk. I'm not responsible. I'm trying at my own risk. But I'm just really wanted to try something different here. Next up, I'm taking Can't Afford This, which is this orange color from the Art Library palette in Flamboyant. Fluffy brush. And this is actually gonna go right through the socket here. We're gonna brighten this up some. Perfect. Doing the same thing on both sides. I love the orange because it gives us some nice warmth. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and go underneath. Like so. I'm going back in with my 224 brush and I'm just gonna blend out. I don't want a lot of the orange, so I'm just gonna go in and make sure this is nice and diffused, because the goal here is really the Good Jeans. So I'm grabbing more of the Good Jeans, right across the lid, I'm sweeping it on, I'm pulling it up. But the great thing about this is look how easy this product glides on, which I love. So now I'm going to a firmer, fluffy brush, just to kind of pack this on, just at the root of the lash here. Brilliant. Taking Good Genes, the eyeshadow, loading the fluffy brush on both sides, like that. Starting right at the lash line, we're pressing this in. Oh, yes. Okay, cool. Look how intense this is. Beautiful, right? Because we have the liquid lip color on the eye, you gotta tap, tap, tap. Take your longer fluffy brush if you need to, just to kind of blur out the edges and the crease. Brush underneath, like this. I'm happy with the intensity of the Good Genes. I think I am gonna pop in a little bit more, very lightly, a little bit more of this orange right through here. Just kind of warm it up some. Yeah, there we go. I'm taking Phone Number by MAC, which is the eye Kohl. It's gonna go right here, nice and charcoal. Waterline. So it's not black, but it's gray inspired like the shadow itself. Boom. Let's be fun. Gallerina. Let's grab a little of that and build on this color story. Inner. A little bit of shimmer. Let's curl. Y'all know I love a good curl. Let's mascara me down. Y'all know I love a good In Extreme Dimension mascara. Yes. Uh-oh. That's a huge chunk too. Blooper. Let's get that off. Let's buff that away. Okay. All right, back to our regular schedule programming. Mascara. We're gonna do bottom mascara as well. I think I'm gonna take more of this orange. I'm like kind of in love with it right now. Very lightly, I'm gonna pop a little bit more through here. Probably should not have done this after I put the mascara on, but oh well. This orange is reading nice and fiery, and I'm kind of liking it. Also do a little down here as well. All right, let's clean up. Concealer palette. Powder to set it all. The contour of it all. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of this orange just because I like it so much and kind of tap it through here. And through here. Look how vibrant that is. Y'all know if y'all wearing a mask, this is about to be litty. And I'm gonna take the Hyper Real palette in Shimmy Peach. Y'all know me. All three colors, all of it. I want it all. And I'm gonna sneak that right through here. Whoa, yes. Come through. With an eye like this, a highlight like this, and a little bit of like sculpting, you know, my hero, my Shiro, clear lip glass for the win. And there you have it, another mask-worthy eye look. a little color, a little good jeans for the kids. We utilize Powder Kiss eyeshadow and good jeans, along with Powder Kiss liquid lip and good jeans as well. I also threw on Can't Afford This, which is this orange that you see through here, and through here, and through here, along with a little Gallerina, which you see through here. We got a contour. We have our Hyper Real Shimmy Peach highlight, mascara, clear lip gloss, a full look. So I hope you guys enjoyed playing a little bit of color. I said it's 2021. We're about to continue to try new things. So guys, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel if you like this video if you like, and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this tutorial. But most importantly, are those notifications turned on? I hope so. Who loves you? I do. See you next time. Bye.